Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can publish our game in MIT App Inventor gallery. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of apps, right? So now let's open any app that you want. So let me just try some apps here. So let's try this course app. Okay, open this. You can see this is a course app I created. Okay, and how this is look like, I added here the HTML file and that will look like this. You can see that this is the course game, okay, course app, where you can watch the video and you can complete it, and you can see here the progress also 20%. Okay, so I created this app using the HTML code and the app inventor. Now I'm going to publish that app to the gallery. Okay, so click on the publish to gallery. You can see there's an option, click on this. Now let's wait some second and you can see the course app. Okay, is the app name. So you can just say here course app like this. You need to add here description is like this is a inventor, and using this you can learn the app inventor. Okay, now for the credit, I'm gonna just give this credit to the pudding bus. I can just add here my video also. Post this is the video, this is the online course video, so I can add this video here. Okay, so anyone can see the credit and you can see how that will look. Okay, more info, you can add just the information. And now we need to add the image file. So we can just take a screenshot. I already have one image. Okay, this one image I have, this one. I'm going to just add this. Okay, and you can see the check if you want your app to be findable with a search. So let's just check this. Okay, and course app with app inventor. Okay, like this. And now let's click on submit. Now let's wait some seconds and your app gonna publish on the app inventor gallery. And here it is. Fantastic, right? Now we can see anyone when open the website called gallery.appinventor.mit.edu, they can easily use your app. They can redesign your app and they can reuse your code. Okay, so we can see all the information is here. That's fantastic. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.